you want me to sing you a song.
Right.
Well, here's a snappy little number.